What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today I'm gonna be talking about the SR Suntour Raidon 34 that I have on my black Axum build. Before we talk about that, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. If you want to support the channel, check affiliate links to the description below. But other than that, let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm back from the trail, and you can see by the little clips that are going to be throughout the video about the fork. I'm sorry if it's not the best angle, but I don't have any other type of adapters that I can mount my GoPros on. So just take it from what I said. Now, when I bought this fork, I was looking for something that it was name brand and that I trusted because I used the brand before, and also something affordable. Now, don't get me wrong, this fork, brand new, is about $450, if not a little bit more. This is a SR Suntour Raidon 34. It's a 29-inch fork. It's Boost 115 by 15 through axle, and it has 130 millimeters of travel. It has the rebound adjustment and also compression and lockout. And of course, it's an air fork. Now, this fork, when I was looking for it, I found a fork on the Facebook marketplace, and I actually got it for way cheaper than that. So I actually got it for $140 plus shipping and taxes because I did pay through Facebook. So I ended up paying around $170. Of course, I don't count the shipping, so $140 for a $450 fork, I say that's a really good deal. I did not want to do this review before because I wanted to have the feel and adjust it properly for my type of riding and my weight, and I finally was able to do that, and this thing is performing like a champ. Now, the rebound adjustment has about 20 clicks, and currently I have it, I went ahead and turned it all the way to the slowest setting and then came back about 7 clicks. That's hitting the spot for me. On the compression, I put it all the way open, and then I went 2 clicks clockwise. So that's hitting the spot for me. And as you can see on the clips right here, I did a few drops and things like that, and I never bottomed out. Now, this thing came with the quick release kinda through axle. It's 15 by 110. And what I like about this one is it's very serviceable. You can, if you have a flat, you can just take it right there on the trail. You don't need to carry any tools for that. So that is really handy, and I prefer that compared to the ones that you actually have to have the Allen key for it. So I like this way better because it's a lever, and it actually performs really well, and I have not had any issues with it coming up loose. So I really love that feature about this thing. So far it's working great. I like the switch. You can feel it on smalls and bigs. You can feel this thing like butter. It really soaks everything up, right, Jeremiah? And it performs really well. Now, one thing that I was looking for when I bought this fork is that the stanchions were black, because this one has the black stanchions. However, some of them, the same fork, has the chrome stanchions or the stainless steel stanchions. I don't like it because of the looks. The performance wise should be the same, but I prefer the black stanchions, which is probably another reason why I haven't gone Fox, because the Fox that I kind of like, they don't have the black stanchions. Although I have not done a lot of research on forks, so don't give me hell on that. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this fork so far is that it did not come with the sag setting ring that comes in many other forks. I have it on my RockShox, and yeah, I don't like that it doesn't have that. At this price point, I believe it should have it, and even the labels on the side of the stanchions, this one doesn't have that. However, you can still set sag pretty easy, just like any other fork, but you will have to take either a ruler, a measuring tape, or a vernier caliper or something like that. But you can still set sag. Now you can add a compression ring later on whenever you do a service or something like that. If the stanchions have to come up, really easy to add a sag ring. So that is the only thing I don't like about this fork. Now, will I recommend this fork? I will not. Let's put it this way. If you can find it used, go ahead and get it. This one is a 2020 model, according to the specifications that I see if I can put them over here on the screen. It's a 2020 model. It came off of a bike. I don't remember what bike it came from. The guy told me, but I just don't remember what it came from. And this is what I've been doing lately, trying to find better quality products on the Facebook Marketplace, on OfferUp, or things like that, Pink Bike, whatever, and actually building better quality products instead of buying something. Let's wait. I said I paid $140 for this fork. I paid $140 for the Bucklos. So big difference right there. So if you can find deals like that, don't hesitate. Yes, it will mean that you will have to upgrade the wheel set, but this is future proof, because if you change bikes, you can take this with you to the next project if it is something that you like. Other than that, I'm pretty pleased with this fork. I'm pretty pleased with the way this bike is turning out, and I hope that you learned something today. Again, you don't have to spend a fortune to get quality products. Do your research, negotiate, and then go from there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, also subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on. If you know somebody's looking to upgrade bikes or things like that, starting on the business, on the sport, share them my channel. It might help them out. Other than that, that is gonna be it for today. Again, if you want to help the channel, check all the affiliate links in the description below. And that's it for this one. Let's ride. See you on the trails. Goodbye.